Hello everyone, we are going to talk about this book which is called as The Time Machine by H.G. Wells. This book is actually written by three authors, but the book is known by the name of H.G. Wells because he's one of the most famous 19th century author, and also he's called like father of the science fiction stories. So basically there are three authors, H.G. Wells, Greg Bear and Carlo Pagatti. So the information that is given in on the Goodreads about this book is it says that I have had an amazing time. So begins the time traveler's astonishing first-hand account of the journey, his journey 800,000 years in the future, beyond his own era, and the story that launched H.G. Wells' successful career and earned him his reputation as the father of science fiction. With a speculative leap that still fires the imagination, Wells sends his brave explorer to face a future burdened with our greatest hopes and our darkest fears. A pull of the time machine's lever propels him to the age of a slowly dying Earth. There he discovers two bizarre human races. One were the ethereal Eloi and the subterranean Molochs, who not only symbolizes the duality of humans, but offer a terrifying portrait of men of tomorrow as well. So this book was published in 1895. This masterpiece of invention captivated readers on the threshold of a new century thanks to Wells' expert storytelling and provocative insight. The time machine will continue to enthrall readers for generations to come. So this is the information that is given about the book on the Goodreads. Talking about the book, considering the fact that this book was written in 19th century, because I never took 19th century books seriously. Believe me, my bad, because books I have read from 19th century, they are so good, they're so amazing. Even compared to the 21st century books, they are this much good. This one is one of those books which you should definitely read. And yes, so basically, the time traveler, his name was never written or given in the book. He was called as the time traveler, and the narrator of the story is basically one of the friend of time traveler. The time traveler, before going to the future, he told his friends, many friends, that I am making a time machine, and then he okay pulled the lever, went to the future. No one knew that he had left to the future, and there he saw two human races, which were Elois. They were very puny, weak humans. Then there were the other race. There was this other race, Morlocks. They were more like chimpanzees type humans who used to live underground. They were scared, not scared, they were uncomfortable in the silence. They never come in the day, they come out at midnight or night time, and they were scary. They even eat Elois, and Elois were so scared of them. So his time machine was taken by Morlocks and he had to get it. Then he became friends with Eloise. There was an Eloi woman who was so obsessed with the time traveler, eventually who died by the Moloch's hands. And then somehow he got his time machine, the time traveler, and he went further in the future to the end of, you know, where the earth was dying, to that time. So basically there was this time, the sun was almost half of the size of the sky. It was so big, earth was going to die. And so yeah, this fact that by the time the earth will die or the sun will die, the sun will increase in size and it will look like half of the sky of the earth. This is actually a true fact, written in 1895, huge thing. And so yes, he saw big creatures there. The creatures that were present at the end of the time, they were so big, like big crabs, even more bigger than him. And then he came back, found some way, he came back to his era. He told his friends that this happens. They believed what they told, but the narrator came back for something. And there was this moment when he actually saw him getting, he eloped. So basically, he was going back again, and by chance, the narrator entered the time he eloped. He just get invisible, and he realized the fact that yes, it was true. And the story ended that the time traveler, it has been years, the time traveler hasn't come back by now. So the story was too good, too interesting, a science fiction that you should definitely read. I don't remember what how many stars I gave, like 4 to 5, but yes, a very good book and you should definitely read it. Okay, so bye bye.